Yeah, hello everybody. I'll be talking about system of linear equation and inequalities in context. Today video, I want you to, uh, I'm sure you are familiar with equation of one variable, equation of two variables, simultaneous equation. Now, a linear equation with one variable is like this: x plus 3 equals to 7. You just have to look for the value of x. And work it out, you get the value of x. You understand? X equals to blah blah blah. And talking about equation with two variables, that way we have x plus y equals to something. So there must be variable, there must be two unknowns in that equation because we're talking about two variables now. You understand? So talking about simultaneous equation, which is the goal of this topic. I'm trying to simultaneous equation look like this equation 1 x plus y equals to 4. We have two unknowns in two equations. So two unknown here, two unknown here. So you ask you to look for the value of x and for the value of y. And we have two methods of solving simultaneous equation. We have the substitution method and the linear method. For the purpose of this exam, do not use substitution method like that. But if you want to use it, elimination is faster, so I would suggest you can use anyone you want anyway actually. But I believe elimination is faster. Yeah, you just have to put the two equations on top. Make sure the two equations are alike. You understand? Like for example, this equation now. Can use the elimination method, just draw a line and just deduct it from each other. Sometimes it could be addition depending on what you want to eliminate. If I should subtract this equation from this equation now, I am going to get the value of x because that will be y minus y equals to 0. 4 minus 6 equals to minus 2. And here x minus 2x, that will give me what? That will give me x. So x equals to what? Minus 2. You understand? No, minus x equals to minus 2. So you now get x equals to 2. So if it's an elimination method, so I will charge you to go and learn. If you don't know, but for your level, I expect you to know elimination method or how to solve simultaneous equation. You should know it. You should know it. I mean, if you don't know it, go and look for material, read up. Understand? But I expect you to know. I mean, high school level, they taught you all this thing in high school or your secondary school, as case may be. Please go and learn it. So let me go to example. How to apply this thing. Now, it's not as easy as I said the other time. That was the concept. Here was the concept, and here is the application. So this is what SAT can ask you. Question like this, SAT can ask you. But learn how to convert your, a written statement into an equation so that you can solve. And look at it. Desire bought a pair of pants and a briefcase at the department store. The sum of the price before sale tax was $130. There was no sale tax. Sorry for that. There was no sale tax on the pants and a 9% sale tax on the briefcase. So the total Desire paid, including the sale tax, was $136.75. What was the price in dollars of the pants? Now, representing this statement, he said Desire bought a pair of pants and briefcase. So P plus B. P is representing pants here, and B representing briefcase. So P plus B equals to 130. That's before the tax. Now, when there was tax, then they said there was no tax on what? On pants. So that means P here is not changing. Plus, there will be a change in this B because there is a tax on it. Instead of B, they said they have 9%, alright? So which is equals to, look at it here, B plus, this is the price without tax, this is the tax that was added. That will be 0.09B. You understand? 0.09B. So which is equals to 1.09B. And you add them together. So 0.09 and this 0.90 is like 9%. That's 9 over 100. It's the same as 0.09B. Let's look at O, it's 0. When you add them together, you have 1.09B. So that's what you write down here. But the state tax equals to 136.75. So now, can you see all the things you have to go through before you even apply a simultaneous equation. So this looks like a simultaneous equation to me, and I expect you to solve it simultaneously. So I would like to use elimination method. Okay, now if you are using elimination method, because I want you to actually, it's faster. That's why university doesn't give you much time. So elimination method is faster by subtracting the first equation from the second equation. Like this equation from this equation, you subtract this equation from this equation, this will cancel. If you cancel P, then we have B. We have minus 0.09B equals to minus 6.75. When you subtract this one, so which equals to B equals to 75. Mind you, they say what is the price in dollars of the pants? And now asking for the briefcase. This is for the briefcase. So you have to substitute this one into any of the equation, but I choose to pick the first equation, which is P plus 75 equals to 130. So when you do that, you get the value of your part to be 55. So this is the answer. So this is an example of a grading question. The other time we are having options. The previous video I said no, we are having options. See, and see option here if you see that, but this one is example of a grading question. There's no option, so you have to place the answer, then you have to grid it into the question paper, into the answer sheet rather. So let me go to the next one. Now see, and this is like equation question two equation question, and you need to interpret it. See, each morning John jogs at 6 miles per hour and rides a bike at 12 miles per hour. His goal is to jog and ride his bike a total of at least 9 miles in less than 1 hour. If you are saying anything like less, at least be taking note of them. They are very important. If John jogs J miles and rides his bike B miles, which are the following system of inequality represent John's goal? What is his goal? His goal is let me see his goal is to jog and ride his bike at a total of at least 9 miles. This is the total distance he wants to cover in less than an hour. So now let's look at the equation. Which one is showing that? Now before we do that, let me just sharply explain some things to you. John jogs J miles. No, this one representing rates. Talking about speed. Yes. So this is the miles, J miles. That's the total distance for jogging. His bike is total B miles for bike, and his goal is to jog and ride his bike a total of 9, at least 9. At least means it can be 9 miles or at least 9 miles or greater than 9. But I can only, I'm saying C to be a potential answer, and I'm saying D. I'm saying all those, doesn't really matter. Let's go through it so that we can see. So J plus B, which is the miles, and 92 is a miles. Look at the formula. No, J, miles. They have to be parallel. This is distance. So miles. So J plus B is equal or greater than 9. Can you see that? That's the correct equation. Do you have any of equation like that? Yeah, sure. Here. In fact, if I decide not to do any other thing again, I'm sure option A is the potential answer and option D. So how do I eliminate one of them? And then now similarly, look at it. B over 12. What's the formula for rate? Okay, for example, since rate times time equals to distance, so therefore the time equal distance over rate. So this is the time now we're talking about. So we want to look at time. So that is J over 6. J is the distance for jogging and 6 rate. They give us the rate here. 6 miles per hour. This is the rate. So we are talking about time now. So we need the formula already. So see, J over 6 is the rate. So distance over rate gives us the time. Similarly, B over 12, same thing. B is the miles, 12 is the rate. So representing that one, I said complete his jog and bike, right? It must be less than 1 hour. So looking at it like this, all these things, 1 hour must be greater than everything. So J over 6 plus B over 12 must be less than 1 hour. 1 hour. But all these things is in hours, then time. Everything must have the same parameter, just like A is having mile. So the answer is A. So you have to be very careful when you're picking your answer and pay attention to units. So that's that. The answer is A. You can look at it yourself too. I mean, if it's something that big. Yeah. These are like a lot of solving linear equation, linear inequality, and system of linear equation. Well, look at it. This one you are so familiar with it, so I don't even need to give an explanation. You just expand it. And you expand it, you get your answer. What is it? Okay. What is the solution to the equation above? You are looking for the value of y. So, meaning that expanding it, I don't need to give you much explanation on this. I believe you should be able to do it. And you do it very well, your answer should be y equals to 1 over 20. Follow the step here. It doesn't take time. So this one too, same thing. This is an example of equation like this one too, one variable equation. I told you the other time about variables. Told you about variables. Told you one variable, something like this. And what is there now? So here too, look for your y. Here you're looking for x. So when you solve it well, you should get it. But I want to take your attention to something. Look at this pattern. This bracket is the same as what's in the bracket. So instead of solving and wasting your time, if you have a pattern like this, you can just equate one of them because they are the same to 0. You get your answer. Same thing. So look at it. Common. Okay, look at what I said there. They're common to both sides. So this you solve, you get 4.8. Like the normal sum, when you have this, so you solve it up, then you do it, follow it, then you get your x. So it's the same thing. So that's just that. That's that. Then something, yeah, okay. This is like a simultaneous equation too. Like here and here, you expand it, then you get your answer. What is the solution? So if you check this equation, you have to divide the first equation by 2. I told you, this is a simultaneous equation. This is the first equation. I need the second equation. Do you understand me? So we need to solve for the value of x and y. And you're looking for the value of x and y. Because that's simultaneous equation. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. So if you check the equation, you divide the first equation by 2. At least, yeah. Because you want to make them okay. Then that will be minus x equals to 2y plus 3. Just substitute this. Can you see? Into the second equation, which is this. Is this 2x. Okay. You can see that. Then you have 3x minus 5. And so 5x equals to 5, therefore x equals to 1. So substitute for x in this equation will give value of y. So just follow this footstep. I don't want to be giving you too much, but when you follow this footstep, you are going to get the answer. Yeah, that's something about that. So you have to be very careful. I've already written everything. Right? You get x, substitute into the second equation. Just follow it. It's explanatory enough for you. So, okay, this will be the next topic I'll be talking about. Generally, talk about two variables. I will talk about this next my next video. Relationship among linear equation, lines in a coordinate plane, and the context they describe. So please, if there's any question you want to ask, comment below. And I need you to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So please subscribe, and I want to see your comments about the video. Well, things you want me to improve on, things you feel like I did well. Just write everything up there. If you have any question, why not? Let me know. So thank you very much for your time. Have a great and wonderful day. Thank you.